ultimate meatball.
Hey, I'm Kevin. And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio. And you're about to get cooking with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Regina in North Carolina, and I submitted the legendary Black Magic cake recipe. And now I would like to introduce you to the Frankie Meatball music video.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I'm Frankie Meatball, I have a cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Frankie Meatball, take some time and enjoy my show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I'm just a man who loves to cook. And it's not a show you get from a book. And when I do my show, I have no script. Don't slip with the pepper. You may burn your lips. The show has my name, and it's not a game. Do it with passion from my heart. So if you have a request, let me know and I'll do my best. I'll bring it to the show as soon as I can. I'm Frankie Meatball, the YouTube cooking show. You'll catch my knack and you'll know it's no whack. It may make you hungry and you need a snack. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I heard the shows are lots of fun. There's no show like Frankie Meatball. Don't forget a new show every Wednesday. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. And when my show is done, you have a good recipe, and I know you had some fun. I'm just a man who loves to cook. So remember, you see it here on the Frankie Meatball Show. Frankie
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.
You saw me advertise my new shirt? Here it is, huh? Is it gravy? Is it sauce? No, my friends, it's resource.